Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to stop your owner account from editing messages sent by others in your Telegram channel using Telegram Web on your PC. This feature has been updated recently, so let's go through the new steps one by one, clearly and simply. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account that owns the channel you want to adjust. Once you're in, head straight to the channel where you want to make the change. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen where you'll find 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon. Click on those 3 lines to open the menu, and from there, choose the option labeled Edit. This is where you can modify different settings of your Telegram channel. Inside the Edit section, you'll see several settings, but for this task, you need to click on Administrators. This is where Telegram lists all admins connected to your channel, including yourself as the owner. Now, find and click on your Name the Owner account. Once you open your profile settings inside this section, you'll see a list of permissions that owners or admins can have. Look carefully for the option that says Edit Messages of Others. By default, this option might be checked on, allowing you to edit messages sent by other admins or contributors. To prevent your owner account from being able to edit anyone else's messages, simply uncheck this box. This will remove that permission from your role as the channel owner. After you've done that, click the tick icon or the check mark in the upper corner to save your changes.